Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and create license keys on Gumroad. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, you're going to go ahead and open up your dashboard right here in the upper right corner. If you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create one. If you have one, you can just log in normally. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page of your dashboard, from where we can get started with accessing all the sections we can use for managing our stores, such as home, products, collaborators, and so on. And now we are going to get started following this article right here called license keys. So to open up the article, go ahead and open up the help center right here at the bottom left part of the screen and use the search bar to find the license keys article. This is going to explain to us how to get started with setting up license keys. And as you can see, we can set up a product with license keys by going to the product section. So you're going to go to products right here at the left side of the screen and open up the product you want to set a license key for. Once you click on it and open it up, it's going to look like this. As you can see in the steps, we're going to open up the content page. So you're going to click the content option right here at the top of the screen. That's going to enable you to manage the content of your product. From here, you can get started following the rest of the steps. As you can see, you can click on the three dot menu item and select license key. And from here, you can get started with dragging and repositioning the license key module anywhere on the page to set it up for your product. And that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.